Hi friends, in the last video I created this registration page for you. In this registration page we created username, email and password text field and one register button. Okay, in this tutorial I will teach you how to take input from this input field and while click on the registration button and you can save this information into JSON file. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, just I'm creating an empty game object. I can make it as a game manager or something like that, or UI handler. So I can name it UI handler game object because it take the input from your UI and will insert some will take some values from input field and store it into JSON file. So yeah, I created this registration script. Either you can create a new script by right click on project window and just create a C# script. So it will create a script and then you can rename it. So I already created for you. Okay, when you create any script in Unity, this two default method is coming, start and update method. Okay, for Unity UI just I had to import just this package Unity engine.ui. UI specifically for accessing all the UI component. Okay, for this my registration page, what I have to do, I have to take input from this input field. Okay, on the registration button I had to save this information into JSON file. So yeah, I will create one method for it. Just remove all this method because I don't need. So make it public void and I can name it registration, user registration, because I am registering the user's information. Okay, this simple public void method. So in that method what will we do, we will take all the information from input field. I'll click on it. Okay, so accessing this input field of Unity element, just you have to make one variable of input field. This is for the text field. For username I had to take input from username, so I can create a variable for username input field, username input field. Same for the password and email also, so I can make it duplicate, and for the password input field and for email. Okay, so I can save it and go to Unity. I can attach this script to my game object UI handler, and now you see this public properties is visible here on this game object. I can assign all this input field because I had taken the variable as an input field, so it will take only input field type of game object. Here I assign this username into username, password into password field, and email into email. Okay, then I can access the property of input field using this variable. Okay, so whenever a user will register, I have to take input from here. So for you, just for the printing some displaying some value, I am using debug log to show you whatever the values is user is giving into that input field. Username it has a property text, so you can access the text properties of that username input field. Same for all this password and email. Okay, so this is the password, this is for email. All these are things are only for the beginner who are new in Unity, who already know Unity. For them it is very simple, they know each and everything. Okay, for this registration button, what I had to do, I had to make I had to kept all the information, whatever information, into this input field and save this information. Like suppose I am putting the vj.r@gmail whatever, something like that, and password is like whatever I have to take it, alphanumeric. Okay, so when I click on this registration button, it should save detail. So right now nothing is happening. Why? Because I did not assign. So how you will do that? So just go to the registration button, there is a button component is there. This is the button component. Whenever you are creating button, this component is by default is coming. So in there, on click method is there. So this is a basic listener. I had to assign this click on the plus button, then assign this UI handler, because that registration button is attached on this game object. I want to access this function, this user registration function on the button click of this registration button, register button. So what I did, I already attached this registration script onto this UI handler game object. So while click on this button, this user registration method will be called, should be called. So user registration script is already attached on this game object. There is a one method which I created, user registration. So when I select this method, so now I'm able to call the user registration method which I created into this registration script, which is attached on the UI handler game object. Okay, now I'm running the scene. Okay, just type John something, whatever. John @gmail.com, password. Now see the magic. So I clicked on the register button. The username is John, password is John, something like that, and the email which I clicked. Okay, so now I'm able to take the input. Okay, what I had to do, I had to store this information into JSON file. Okay, so for that I had to create one model class, and Unity gives me facility to store this information into JSON. Okay, so right now I'm creating one class for user details. I can see, I can make it user detail. Sorry, my keyboard is not working as public. So class. Okay. Public string. What is username, right? And second one is what? And third one is what? Password. Third one is email. Okay. So I will create a one object of this class here. Details. And give it user info. New is a keyword to create a name object of that class. User details. Okay. So now user detail info or user info, username, whatever the input I'm taking from here input field, I have to just assign. Okay. And user info dot password equal to or whatever the password I'm taking from here. Just user info dot email. Okay. So email details I had to store into this email field this I today. So right now I don't need this. I can comment it. Okay, now I created the user detail objects of that class, and into this class I set the properties of this username, password and email. Right now what I have to do, I have to make the JSON of this class. So yeah, in Unity I have the facility string user info JSON to. Okay, so for in Unity you can make JSON from the object, and you can serialize the JSON information. So Unity has one class utility JSON. Sorry. JSON utility dot to JSON. What I had to do, I had to convert this user information into JSON. Okay, so yeah. So JSON utility will what it will do, it will convert JSON object into this class object into JSON string. Okay, so for that what I have to do, I have to make it serializable. So now you can see this JSON information is created from this. So now you can verify that JSON is created properly or not. There is a one website is there. So now you see username, keyword, password, like that. Okay. Now use JSON file is created. Now what I can do, next thing is that I can save this information into file. So Unity gives me a facility. I can save, I can make the directory of that class. Oh, sorry.